Hello, in this video I'm making 3-layered bow. For this I need 3 stripes of different length. First stripe size is 15 by 15 centimeter, and the other two stripes has a size of 15 by 17 centimeter. Now I am folding these so I can sew them. When I sew it, I left the space in the middle of the stripe so I can flip this stripe inside out. Now I'm going to flip all these stripes inside out. Now we will iron them for the neatness. Now I'm cutting a 1 by 3 inch stripe too, so I can tie this bow together with this strip. Now I'm placing these stripes on each other at equal spacing, and then so I can sew them from the middle. After sewing this from the middle, it's easy to pinch the bow. For that, I'll be using a needle and thread and sew it from the middle like this with the up and down stitches simply, and then I'll pull the thread to squinch the bow. Now we will tie this with this stripe and then stick the braid clip in the middle of this bow. And that's it. So if you like my videos and my content, please do like the videos and comment below, and also subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much for your support.